guys, welcome to Prayer Property Channel. I'm Pinky. We are on 3rd Road of Pattaya, not too far from the beach. 32-story of new condominium high-rise building will be complete within a few months. Now it's just only some small gardens and interior design. Today I show you all the facilities and nice room type. Starting price with 3.3 million baht, 28 square meter. And here is very interesting because this building will offer you elite visa option in case you bought the property here, so you can have additional service to get 20 years of elite visa. Follow me to see the details. Here I am on the 31st floor of the building. There are 32 stories, and here is very nice facility. Actually, start from the first floor. They have big and grand lobby. They also have semi lobby where your friend come in and entrance to the building can wait outside, and they have grand lobby inside the building. They have co-working rooms for working or for meeting at the ground floor. And here I am on 31st floor. It's very nice swimming pool. Can see the view around, start from Lam Chabang, North Pattaya, Pattaya, and nice Pattaya side view. Here is not really 100% complete yet. It will be very nice after complete because you can see really nice view of Pattaya. And of course, nighttime, I can imagine this. The last floor is 32nd floor where they have nice lounge. They also have fitness. There are many nice facilities in the building. I will show you the showroom. Follow me. Here we are. I'm in the one bedroom. When you come in, the door lock will be with password, or you can use the key also. There are 4 sides of the building. 5 sides. They have also extra sides. Start with one bedroom 28 square meter, one bedroom 34.5 where I am here, 2 bedroom 1 bath 51 square meter, 2 bed 2 bath 59 square meter. And they also have 3 bedroom, which is like a very nice size, 118 square meter. This size, 34.5 square meters, starting with 4 million, with fully furnished. Of course, it's not include small decoration, but it's include the furnitures, built-in, and of course, kitchen, refrigerator. We start part by part. Near the entrance door, you will have the cabinet where you can use to store your shoes. This is the kitchen area with white design, marble white on top. You will have the cabinet to store your kitchen stuff. It will come with refrigerator, microwave, hot pot, only washing machine and the mattress, which is not include, and small decoration. The unit will include dining table with 2 chairs. This is living space, include TV cabinet, TV, aircon, of course, and sofa. This sofa bed you can pull here and it's become a bed in case friends or your family comes. Good for children to stay here. Between the living area and the bed, there are slide door, 3 parts. You can pull it to close at night time when you sleep, or you can just leave it open. I like to just leave it open, but yeah, it's functional in case if you need it. It's much better with the space for the slide door. This is the bed area with king size bed, and of course come with wallpapers and curtains. This area, I love it. You have sofa bed where you can sit, play game, read a book, working here. Have a nice view of Pattaya, Pattaya, Jomtien Sea view. Because all the wall replaced by glass, it's nice to make the room bright. Before I go into bathroom, there are 2 wardrobes, left and right. Probably good size to separate between man and woman. Cosmetic table. This is the bathroom with the white marble tile with gray on the floor. Sink. This is nice. This is balcony area. The door is very good, double glass. The balcony is not too big, but there is space for washing machine if you love to put outside. They have enough space for have a small chair and table in case if you love to sit at the balcony. Yeah, quite nice view. This view, I say you can see Pattaya, Pattaya, Jomtien size. This is all about 1 bedroom, 34.5 square meter size. Now I show you 2 bedroom. Follow me. We are in 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, which is 51.8 square meter. The price starting with 7.3 million Thai baht. This is my favorite side because of the layout. All the furniture is matched together and you have a lot of space for specific function. When we come into the rooms, this is the main entrance. You have a lot of cabinet space here. Downstairs, upstairs. Downstairs, of course, is nice for shoes. And here you can also put some more kitchen stuff. For example, like toaster, hot water machines, and small things because it's together with the kitchen area. Upstairs you have a lot of storage to store your dish and things from the kitchen. Here it's refrigerator, hot food, sink, microwave area. You can even use like right side here to cooking and cutting some cooking stuff. It's quite nice space for the kitchen. After kitchen, this is dining area with 4 chairs, nice decoration chandelier, nice decoration of the mirror and small shelf. Make the room look nice. Balcony here is quite small. I think you cannot use much from the balcony, but inside of the room space, this is pretty nice for 51.8 square meter. How they make the layout is really effective. After dining zone, the living zone, here is sofa, TV. You have nice sea view of Wongamad Beach over there with the nice big glass. Make living room look nice. More space, you can add on some small chairs or small armchair, small sofa over there. 2 bedroom here, 1 bathroom for share. Rain shower, sink, toilet, nothing special. The size is good size. Show you this one first. I would say this one is the smaller bedroom, but the size is pretty good for the bedroom in the condo. I mean, you can walk around, you have wardrobe, nice decoration of headboard, built-in, everything come like this. You have balcony. This balcony is nice in the bedroom. You can really use it because no aircon compressor. You can have chairs and small table for night sea view because this side you face to see Pattaya sea view. For sure at daytime or nighttime will be beautiful. I call this one is master bedroom because they have additional more working table area. So when you come in, the size is similar from another bed actually, but this one no balcony, but you will have like nice table here. You can use as working table where you can see nice view when you work with your laptops or reading a book, doing things here with the big window glass. Nice. Have small shelf, put some of your decoration, small cabinet downstairs. And at the bed, they even have like a small shelf where you can store things under the bed. Here's wardrobe area. Okay, 2 door, not too big, but it's enough for your clothes. And even upstairs, you can store some more things. Here I also have cabinet, cosmetic table, small chair. This is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom size, 51.8 square meter. I hope you like this one. And about Elite Visa, before that they offer Elite Visa service for 20 years. When you bought a unit 1 bedroom, you can get 1 person Elite Visa. Room price is not included with Elite Visa. You need to pay more 600,000. Of course, it's much cheaper than you walk in to buy Elite Visa by yourself. And the condominium, they will also take care for your applied service for Elite Visa. So it means when you want to buy property, let's say starting with 28 square meter size, 3.3 million baht. You pay for Elite Visa 600,000. They apply for you, help you until you got the Elite Visa. You just booking and then apply for the Elite Visa. They do all the process for you, and then after that you pay for sign contract and then move in. The building is ready to move in around April this year, 2023. You will get 20-year Elite Visa. But if you buy 2 bedroom, of course you has chance to get 2-person Elite Visa. It means you pay 600,000 per person, so 1.2 million additional for Elite Visa, and they do all the process for you and you get 20-year Elite Visa. This is the service here. I would say actually it's reasonable because first, you get cheaper than you walk in to buy by yourself, because if you walk in to buy by yourself, you pay 1 million, need to apply and prepare documents and all things by yourself. Here it's like they can help you all the process, don't have to do much by yourself. And you get nice condo Nice view, good location here on 3rd Road, around 5 minutes to Terminal 21, 5 minutes or 10 minutes to Central Pattaya. Very convenient location, many nice restaurants around here. So thank you for watching my videos and hope to see you again next week. Please help me to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.